Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can find the Reels history on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First, you need to go and open Facebook application on your device, then tap on the menu here. Then you need to tap on the setting icon to access settings on Facebook. So once you tap on it, scroll a bit where you will find the option preferences right here, and under preferences, you will find the option your time on Facebook. Tap on it, and here you need to tap on see time. So once you select see time, right at the bottom you will find the option see activity log. You need to tap on it. It will bring you to this menu, and here you will find your Facebook activity. You need to tap on the drop down arrow. It will expand. You need to scroll down, and where you will find Reels, and here you need to tap on manage Reels. And once you tap on manage Reels, it will open all the history that you have posted the Reels on Facebook. Here you can just tap on to watch it if you tap on the three dots here. So if you tap on the three dots here, the menu will pop up, and here you can view that reel. You can change the audience, you can hide it from the profile, and you can move it to the archive as well, or you can move it to the bin. You can delete that Reels as well. So guys, this is how you can find the Reels history on Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.